Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to default or go back to the old Reddit layout theme on your Reddit account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up and sign into Reddit and select your profile icon up in the top right to open up the profile menu. And then go down to select settings near the bottom of this menu. And then underneath settings, select the preferences tab near the top. And then scrolling down on this page, there should be something underneath experience that says default to old Reddit. Toggle this to the right to enable that, and then you can select opt out. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.